relaxing waterfall seems to be heightening the Pokemon's concentration. And now, the battle begins. Oh, it was infatuated by the opponent's attraction. Ice beam hits. It's down already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokemon have appeared. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. The battle is getting intense. Big hit. It couldn't take it. It's down. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win and victory will be claimed. Hit on top intimidates its opponent. The third set of Pokemon have appeared. Oh! A sandstorm is brewing in the Colosseum. Drapion is slowly losing its health. Starts to attack. It hits. Corner faces a great deal of pressure. Its attack missed. Slammed him. It's down and out. The battle has ended. It's a total victory for the blue corner. The relaxing waterfall seems to be heightening the Pokemon's concentration. And now, the battle begins. Hit, but this is not a favorable matchup. A fierce blow. It's a direct hit. corner faces a great deal of pressure. Vigoroth starts to attack. Hit, but this is not a favorable matchup. Hit by Flash Cannon. It's down and out. The blue corner won the first round. That's a smooth start. The second set of Pokemon have appeared. Solid hit, but this is not a favorable matchup. Its defense fell. The battle is getting intense. That hurt. Monferno restored its health and feels the relief. Nicely done. The blue corner faces a great deal of pressure.